In this video, I will show you how to set an automatic reply for all the comments in your Instagram posts. First, go to the Comment Growth Tools section on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Click on Campaigns. Indicate in the upper switch that you wish to set it on an Instagram account and select it. In the middle section of the page, you will find an option called Full Account Comment Reply. Click on the button beside it and enable Comment Reply. In the modal form that will open, indicate if there should be multiple answers for a single user, and if you wish to hide them after responding. Now, you have two options. Choose Generic Comment Reply for all to set an automatic answer for every comment independently of its content. If you do so, simply state the name of the campaign. Set the generic reply, and personalize it. You can also add a spin text stating different word variations between brackets so that every answer is a little different, giving them a more natural appearance. Select a message template to reply to the user who commented via DM and save. On the other hand, if you wish to create specific answers based on keywords, select Send Message by filtering word/sentence. The steps are pretty much the same. Type a name for the campaign, create the automatic answer, and select a private reply template, with the difference that you will also have to set some specific terms that will trigger the comment. Write them in the filter word field. It is a good practice to state several synonyms separated by commas. For example, pricing, prices, and cost. Then, enable one of two modalities: reply if the filter word exactly matches and reply if any matches occur with the filter word. We recommend the latter so you have more flexibility. Finally, submit. Write a comment in any post on your page, and you will see the automatic reply in action.